So now let's see how we can work around with pen and ink effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the file menu, and then I'm going to go around under import right here, and then I'm going to go around and bring in an image that I want to add in the effect to. Then I can simply select this image, then I can go around under effects. Then what I can simply do is I can go around over here under the art stroke section, and over here you can see that pen and ink is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that you get the crosshatch option right here. So you can see that this particular drawing seems as if it is being drawn by a pen when you actually use this effect. So you can go around and change around the density and decrease the density as well, just like this, to get like a pen crosshatch right here. You can also change around the ink pool right here, and you can go around and decrease this out and increase this out as well. Apart from that, you can also go for stippling right here, just like this, so you get more like dots, as you can see, and you can change around the density right here, just like this as well, and you get the effect accordingly, as you can see. You can decrease out and increase out the ink pools as well, just like this. And that is how you can work around with pen and ink effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.